Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my October 2023 Ipsy Glam Bag unboxing. Look at the new mailer that it came in. This is so pretty. I love the colorful design that Ipsy is using now. And so this is a monthly beauty subscription that is customized to your preferences. And I have been getting Ipsy for many years that at this point they should have a lot of data on me to really customize the bag to be perfect for me. Unfortunately, that doesn't always seem to be the case, but let's go ahead and see how this month's bag is. So every month you get a makeup bag, and look at this one. This is really cute, definitely on theme for Halloween. It has a really nice velvety material and oh, so cute. The zipper detail is this bat shape. Oh, and so now there is nothing left in the mailer. All of my products for the month are in this bag here, and this bag doesn't seem very full, so I'm expecting I got small products. And it's funny because it used to say that you were supposed to get $50 worth of value. I never feel like I came close to that. Now the claim is up to $70. So they ended up taking away the minimum $50 worth of value, I feel like a few months ago, which that's kind of telling, right? And then these cards, it doesn't even have product information. I feel like it's a waste that I get these cards. Sometimes I do have product information, but not this month. But all right, let's see what's in my glam bag. Okay, first product I'm pulling out is not makeup, therefore it's not very relevant to my preferences. It's from the brand This Works, which I've gotten a lot of products from this brand before. Perfect Legs Body Butter, a mood-boosting body moisturizer with geranium and sweet orange essential oils. I'm actually not mad about getting a body butter. Kind of hard to smell it because it's sealed up. But this is just a small sample, so I moisturize my body every day, every time I shower. So this will probably last me maybe a week or two. So I'll use it, but I'm not clearly super excited about the first product I pulled out. Next, oh, I don't recognize this brand, Vamigas. It is exciting and fun for me to get brands that I'm not familiar with still. I think it's amazing that I still get brands I'm not familiar with in Ipsy years later. This is Boquita de Rosa Mosqueta Lip Mask. I'm excited to get a lip mask. My lips are getting so chapped, more and more chapped every day as we are getting further into the colder months. And so lip masks are such a go-to for me when my lips get very chapped. So I am actually very excited to try this out. And this is a good size product. This may even be a full size product. So, okay, maybe the bag is turning around. Let's see what's next. Oh, Kate Somerville. That's a great brand to get. Typically, like I was saying, I don't want to get anything other than makeup, but when it's an expensive, nice skincare brand like this, I'm okay with it. This is the Eradicate Salicylic Acid Acne Treatment. So definitely just a little sample size here, but this is probably more of like the type of product I would just use for spot treatment. Therefore, this is a good size product to get for that purpose. I unfortunately have been getting a lot of breakouts recently, so this will probably be such a great product for me to have on hand for when that happens. Okay, third product I'm happy with. Fourth product. Ooh, Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color in the shade Rose Gold. Okay, now I'm starting to remember that this is the product that I chose. You get to choose one of your products in the glam bag, and I'm very excited about a Laura Mercier product. and a rose gold eye stick. Sounds like it'll be a product that, oh, yes, so pretty, a quick, easy go-to type of product. Highlight the inner corner, the brow bone, all over the lid. I'm excited to try this out and see all the different uses for it. So here on my YouTube channel, I have a makeup review series. So that goes up almost every other day, I'd say. So that's where I will be trying out the makeup products that I get in Ipsy in full dedicated review videos. So if there's any products that I get that you want me to review first, prioritize those, just let me know in the comments down below. All right, and so now my final product in here. Oh, okay. This is a great product for me to end on. I'm laughing because it's from Ciate London, which I think is the brand that I have gotten most often in Ipsy. I feel like every single month I get something from Ciate London, but I'm not mad about it. I usually like the products a lot. This here is the Extraordinary BB Cream. I am very excited to get a BB cream, a complexion product. That is like my top favorite type of makeup product to get and try out. It is a pretty small sample, but we'll see. Maybe a little goes a long way with this product. So, okay. I think this actually turned out to be a pretty good bag. It didn't start off the best, but it got better and better. So overall, actually, this is one of my more favorite Ipsy Glam bags that I've gotten. I'll do a quick recap, and I'd love to hear in the comments down below if you've tried any of these products. I'd love to get any tips for when I go to try them out. And of course, let me know what you got in your Ipsy Glam bag this month. But okay, I got the This Works Perfect Legs Body Butter, the Vamigas Lip Mask, the Kate Somerville Eradicate Salicylic Acid Acne Treatment, the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color, and the Ciate London BB Cream. So all products that I actually am going to be able to use. I'm excited to try them out. They are going to be really relevant to my skincare or my makeup needs. So all in all, I am relieved that I'm very happy with this month's glam bag. But so, as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.